There he comes. Yay! Boy. Look at you. Look at you in your walker. Oh, crash into mom. Oh, crash into mom. You having fun? Yeah, let's fix you up. There you go. Oh, I can't keep up with you. I can't keep up. You're so fast. And stuck on the carpet. It's gonna take some getting used to get himself over that. Good job. Yay!